Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Nanu. This time we talk about BTS Suga remains silent ever since the scooter DUI controversy grabbed attention. Now far expecting an update, we will wait for Yu Yoongi. BTS Suga has stayed silent since his DUI controversy as a birthday near. Fans wonder will he finally break his silence. BTS Suga has remained silent on social media since his name got linked to a scooter DUI controversy. With his birthday approaching, fans are eager to receive an update. BTS Suga is one of the most responsible band members among Jin, Jimin, J-Hope, Jungkook, V and RM. However, ever since his DUI controversy in August 2024, he has maintained silence with no update on either viewers or Instagram. His fans have been waiting with the bated breath to hear something from him, as it has been a long time since he has interacted with them. The South Korean singer and rapper is known for his introspective music and thoughtful message. The band member is now serving in the mandatory military and has not been active in the communicating with fans for over a year and a half. This led the fandom to be more concerned about the distances from the favorite idol. Now, as his birthday is approaching on March 3, 2025, everyone is waiting and expecting some update from his side. Scroll ahead to read, and the BTS leader attraction has left the fan feel his absence terribly, while some claim that the BTS singer should have maintained a good rapport with his fan. Others argued that this behavioral pattern is not of his character. He has always been a private person. His true and loyal fan defending him that he will speak up when he is ready, pursuing, and he won't turn out any different. And many from his fandom have been counting days of his return from the military service. Others have been sharing their reaction on X, previously known as Twitter. When is missing Suga or ending? I feel like it's been a lifetime. Another fan wrote, "Fuck, I miss Augusti, I miss Suga, I miss Yoongi." One of the ex user commented, "Anyway, min Yoongi aka Suga aka Augusti. TVT known that you are loved, you are cherished, and you are admired and you are respected. We miss you a lot and we are waiting for you. Please stay healthy and happy." However, Suga's silent phase started after he got entangled in a drunk driving case on a scooter in August 2024. For those who don't know, the case did not lead to any major accident. The backlash was quite heavy. Back at the time, report claimed that his blood alcohol percentage was 0.227%, which is almost 7 times over the legal limit. Post this incident, the singer faced massive criticism from the netizen and the case was settled through a penalty. He was ordered to pay a fine of the 50 million KRW when he was summoned to question regarding the whole situation. Suga apologized in front of the public by bowing down twice, and since then he has refrained from any social media activity or interacting with his fans. Well, what are your thoughts about you? Do you think he will give any update on his birthday? And for more of the latest Korean updates, stay tuned to the Lasna News. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.